Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch has enough battery and is paired. This avoids interruptions during a session. Once done, press the activity button or swipe to activities, then select workouts to view templates. You're doing this because the watch stores structured workouts that guide pacing and intervals. Make sure to choose the right sport profile first: running, cycling, or cardio, since each profile shows sport-specific metrics. Now tap the workout list to load available plans and custom workouts. You'll now choose whether to use a predefined workout or create one on the phone. In Garmin Connect, pick a template or press Create Workout to add warm-up, intervals, and cool-down segments. This matters because precise segments control pacing and recovery. When editing, set duration in minutes or distance and assign intensity zones or target pace. After you finalize, save and sync the workout to your watch so it appears in the workouts list. This ensures the session runs exactly as planned on device. You begin the workout by selecting it and pressing Start. The watch will prompt any warm-up and notify you when intervals change. Keep an eye on pace, heart rate, and remaining repetitions so you can adjust effort. This feedback helps you meet targets without overexerting. Once the session ends, save or discard and sync to Garmin Connect for analysis. If the workout fails to load, restart the watch. Resync from the app and confirm the workout was assigned to the correct sport profile. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.